This looks incredibly similar to Pepto-Bismol. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. We are going to be doing another installment of PR versus paid for, and because I only get like one box pretty much in PR, we're going to be doing another Boxycharm, but this time it is going to be the Boxycharm Premium. So for PR versus paid for, I kind of already explained all of that in the first video that we did, so basically I'm taking the box that I am sent for free because I am an influencer. Which is just one of the worst words. It's almost worse than moist. It probably is actually worse than moist. You know, I've had to write that on like an official document before. Not moist, that would be odd. But influencer, they were like, what's your business? And I was like, a vintage shop. And they were like, but what's the other business? And I was like, so today we're going to be taking the box that was sent to me for free by Boxycharm, and we're going to be comparing it to the box that I paid for myself, and we're going to see if there's any differences, if there's sneaking better products to people who do unboxings online. But before we jump into the unboxings, I would love to tell you guys a little bit about today's sponsor, Ritual. I have personally been really trying to focus on my health and nutrition this year, but as we know, even with a perfect diet, which is nearly impossible to achieve, it can be really difficult to get the key nutrients that we need on a daily basis. But thankfully, Ritual helps men and women of all ages fill in the nutritional gaps. I have been taking my Ritual multivitamin for a few weeks now, and it's just a great way to start off my daily routine. I take mine in the morning with a healthy breakfast and a big glass of water. It just feels really good starting the day by doing something good for my health. Ritual is obsessively researched and contains high quality nutrients like vitamin D3 and omega-3. It's also vegan friendly, sugar free, gluten free, and allergen free. Plus, just a random little tidbit, little side note here, it smells good. Most multivitamins smell not so appealing, but it smells good, which makes it just like nice and easy to take. And of course, one of my favorite things about it is that it is delivered straight to your door every single month. Better health does not happen overnight, so right now, Ritual is offering all of you 10% off your first 3 months. So you can get 10% off your first 3 months by following the link down below in my description and using my code at checkout. Alright guys, let's go ahead and hop on into, not that one, this one over here, the box that I paid for myself. Oh, whack myself in the face with it real fast. Knife. Alright, so the first little thing we have up here is the card for the month. It is the month of February, the month of love. First actual product that we have in here, this is what's so heavy. Like, that box is daggone heavy. It is from Boxycharm, California, Blue Aura, turmeric and holy basil cleansing water. Why does that sound like the most California thing I've ever heard of? Also, what is holy basil? It does come in a beautiful bottle, and I love the color of the liquid itself. It's very pretty. I don't know why I'm testing it like it's perfume. That's okay. Doesn't smell the absolute best. It smells a little bit like it kind of smells like a bunch of like old things together. That's not necessarily like a bad smell. I own a vintage store, but it just kind of smells like that. Just like kind of old, like an old man's jacket. An old man that smokes menthols. That I'm actually pretty excited for. Not that I'm not excited for this, but I don't even know what this is. But there's something else in here that looks really fun. So the next thing we have in here is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Ritual. This is an illuminating ultimate glow primer. That's interesting. I didn't expect it to be a primer. It says you can use it under makeup or like by itself if you just want to have like kind of a nice glow. I don't really know exactly how much illumination it's gonna do, especially under like makeup like mine. I use Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it's basically cement, so I don't really think you'd be able to see the luminosity through it, but it comes in a very pretty bottle. It does look like a very nice product. I like this frosted glass. It's super pretty. This looks incredibly similar to Pepto-Bismol. From what I can see on the back of my hand, there's not much like luminosity happening. It just looks kind of like my skin's moisturized, but I'm not seeing any like pearlescence or shimmer or shine to it, which I'm personally okay with. I'm not really a huge fan of like shimmery face products, but yeah, it just kind of looks like my hands a little bit more moisturized. Okay, the next thing we have in here is from Tarte. This is the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. I do believe this is the eyeliner that is like dual ended. On one side we have a liquid liner with like a felt tip, and then over here we just have like a standard liner. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I haven't worn black eyeliner in months. It has been months. Ooh, honestly, the last like 3 things in here seem pretty cool. The next thing I have here is the Matte Radiance Bake Powder from Laura Mercier. I don't know if this is like actually, I don't know what it is. So let's go ahead and find out. Oh, it's a highlight. It'll take 3 seconds to fully read the box. You'll probably figure that out. So this is a highlight in the shade 01. I have never tried a highlight from Laura Mercier. Ooh. So here we have the highlight. It does have that like classic baked powder like dome to it. It does look really pretty. I really like the packaging on this. Very, very soft to the touch. Also, like, that's a lot. I wasn't expecting it to be that kind of opaque on my finger. Oh, that's kind of beautiful. Oh, it's a little bit on the subtle side, but I personally kind of love this. It just makes my hand look like it's glowing. Like, it doesn't really look like there's product on there until it catches the light, and it's just a beautiful glow. Oh, I think that's really pretty. I like that quite a bit. I'm very excited about this product. Wow. Okay, next up in here, I'm gonna go for this little guy. So we have something from Eloise. This is the Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Pure Gold, so this should be quite interesting. I'm very interested in seeing like how intensely gold this is when it comes out of the packaging. Ooh, okay. I was thinking it was going to be more along the lines of like the gold cap up here, but this gold is actually beautiful. I hope this works out well because that is a stunning kind of like deep, warm, almost a little pink hint to it gold. I was picturing more along the lines of like pirate doubloons on your eyes, that kind of shade of gold. Oh, she's lovely. Wow. Okay, so there it is swatched on the back of my hand, and it's like a beautiful golden copper shade. That is super, super pretty. I really, really hope this wears well because this is a gorgeous liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, fancy. And the last thing in the paid for box is this little Huda Beauty palette. So this is the Pastel Mint Huda Beauty palette. I do like the plastic packaging on this. I think that's super cute. It's kind of giving me like a little bit of a 90s vibe. Whoa, okay, not what I was expecting on the inside, but it is really cool. So we have an array of colors in here. They aren't all mint. We have a couple little like swirly looking ice cream colors up there, a few different like shades of pink. Yeah, not what I was expecting, but this looks super duper cool. So yeah, that is the final item in my paid for box. And honestly, I'm pretty impressed with this box. We got something from Huda, we got something from Tarte, Laura Mercier, several makeup products, only a couple of skincare items. I don't know, I was pretty impressed with this box. There's things in here that I think I'm really, really going to enjoy. So let's quickly look at some pricing here. So the Huda Beauty palette is $29. The Laura Mercier highlighter is $44. No wonder I've never tried them before. Whoa, the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops are $60. This blue cleansing water here is $39. The Tarte eyeliner is $24. And the Eloise liquid eyeshadow is $26. So all together, that brings us to a grand total of... Siri wasn't listening literally at all. Okay.
It's 222.
Okay, so that brings us to a grand total of $222 for this box, which I think is pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the PR version here. I'm hoping we get an equally impressive box, you know, to make sure things are kind of even across the playing field here, but let's go ahead and see. And I know this is my PR box because I get this little card in here that says like, hey, make sure you mention like this box comes in PR, so that's what this is for. Then we have our little pamphlet here about all the items on the inside, and let's go ahead and see what we got. There are definitely some differences right off the bat. A couple of things are a little bit similar though. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go for the repeats. So we have yet another Tarte Double Take eyeliner, and we also have another little bottle here of the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. Let's go ahead and get on into the things that are different. I'm honestly just gonna go ahead and say right off the bat, I kind of think I'm more excited about my first box, the one that I paid for, than this PR box, but let's see. So the next item in here is also from Tarte. This is the Man Eater mascara. I'm sure I've tried this before. I had Sephora Play for a long time. I've tried every mascara sample under the sun. So I'm definitely sure I've tried this before, at least with a sample size. Oh, okay. The next thing we have in here is Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut. I just got this. What did this come in? I'm pretty sure I just received, oh yeah, it's literally sitting right here underneath my old film reel, because you always gotta have one of those. So yeah, I just received this, not 100% sure what it came in. It could have been last month's regular Boxycharm. It might have been actually. So yeah, another one of those. Then the next thing we have in here is from Farsali. This is the Rose Gold Elixir 24 Karat Hydrating Gel Cream. Is that what it says? Moisturizing gel cream. Farsali are the people responsible for everyone dripping stuff on their face on Instagram. At least I'm pretty sure they're the culprits. This comes in a very nice looking little tub here. It just kind of like a creamy-ish looking moisturizer with some little flecks of gold, which I don't think actually do anything, but that's fine. It looks fancy. Oh, it smells really nice. I like that scent. The gold inside does make it look really pretty. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see those little flecks are not in there. I would hold this up, but it's very liquid and I will spill it everywhere. Okay, and then last but not least, this might be the thing that I'm most excited about in the box just because it's from Elemis and I love Elemis. It's also a Muscle Ease Active Muscle Ease. This is the Muscle Ease Active Body Oil. Now, let's not go ahead and get it like confused. I'm not active. I'm not. I'm really not. I should be, but Lord of mercy, my muscles hurt all the time. Could it be potentially because I'm not active? Yeah. Probably. I can barely lift this arm up right now because whatever this muscle is, a bicep perhaps, is just so sore and I don't know what I did to it. But this is supposed to be a relaxing body oil for tired legs and tired legs and muscle tension, which I got so much of. It's supposed to relieve, relax, and soothe. I'm definitely going to be giving this a try because like I said, something's wrong with my body. It comes in a super pretty bottle, but I am a little bit concerned that it is glass because I can just see myself like with oil all over my hands, rubbing this on myself in the bathroom and just tragedy occurring. Oh, okay. So only this little tiny thing here comes off and that's how you open it. That'll last 2 days. It does have a very like nice relaxing scent to it. I can definitely pick up on like some rosemary in there. So I'm sure this is super nice, probably very expensive. I just really hope it works. I'm falling apart. Okay, so that was everything in my PR box. Let's go ahead and get some pricing here. So the first thing we have is the Farsali gel cream, which is $39. Oh, the Elemis is $63.50, which is a lot of money for oil, but I thought this was gonna be like $120 or something. So cheaper than I expected, but still not cheap. The glow drops are $60. The Tarte Man Eater mascara is $23. Double Take eyeliner $24, and then the Bali Balm Sweet Orange stuff is $33. So let's go ahead and do some quick math, or actually let's go ahead and get this robot to do it for me.
That would be $6,529.
Okay, that's not what I was looking for. Let's try that again.
It's $242.5.
Okay, so $242.50. Again, good value for the box. It is a little bit more valuable than the box that I paid for myself, but I personally, if I was choosing between the two boxes, I would have picked the box that I paid for versus the PR box. I personally prefer makeup over skincare, and the first box was a lot more makeup heavy. So for me, I think the first box is more valuable because I personally would get more use out of it. But honestly, I think these are pretty much on even playing fields, which I personally am really glad to see because I would hate for like companies and brands to send out better products to influencers in order to entice people into purchasing something and then them not receiving the same quality of item. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments though. Do you think these are just kind of flukes and influencers actually really do get better stuff? Or just let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I could still have you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!